What is an if statement and when do you use it? Well, you use an if statement when you need to ask a question in order to determine what to do next. In Java, there are three forms of the if statement. An if statement on its own, and you use this when you have problems where you want to do either something or nothing. You have an if-else statement, and you use this for problems where you want to do one thing or another thing, but not both. And then finally, you have an if-else-if statement, and you want to use this where you have one or more choices that you can execute. Let's take a look at how the syntax for Java differs from our pseudocode examples. Here's the syntax for a plain if statement in pseudocode. And here it is in Java. What's the difference between these two? Well, not much. As you can see, the only real difference is the inclusion of the braces in the Java code. The braces serve to inform the compiler that everything inside of the braces belongs to the conditional statements. And again, here's the comparison for the if, else if statements. You can see it's the same as before, except for the only difference is in the braces. And again, with the if and else if, you can have multiple else if statements, one after the other. Now, let's take a look at some sample code so you can see it in action. So you can see here we have our sentence demo class, public class sentence demo, stored in the sentencedemo.java file. And we are going to take some input from the user, mainly the input, and we are going to have them enter a sentence. And if the sentence, let me get it up on one line here so it looks right. There we go. And if the sentence does not end in a period, so if the last character is not equal to a period, and we're using the input, the string method char at, to get the last character of the string, and if it's not equal to a period, we're going to print out, hey, your sentence needs a period. Otherwise, it prints out very good. You used a period for your sentence. You know grammar and whatnot. So let's go ahead and run this. We're going to compile it first. So we're going to hit Control 1. And as you can see here, it compiles successfully. So we're going to hit Control 2 to actually run it. And we're going to get our little command prompt. And if you're not doing this in Windows, it might be a little different. But for now, it's going to enter a sentence. And we're going to say, the dog walked down the street. And we'll use an exclamation mark. Hey, look at that. Invalid entry. Your sentence needs a period. All right, press any key to continue. All right, so let's try it again. We'll hit Control 2 again. Drag this back over here. The dog walked down the street. Period. Very good. You used a period for your sentence. Nice. So as you can see, it works. So this is the if statement in use. You can see we have the braces here, and we have our else with another brace. And that's it. That's all there is to it.